the direction in which he should row the boat, no? That only he is asking to find out. That only asking. He will start here. This is a end point. Okay, student has to decide now what direction he should. Shall he row boat up the stream or down the stream?
Up.
So could you show the question answer?
Here, a boat wants to cross river of width W with Vbr equal to Vr by row 2. Find the direction in which he should row the boat to minimize the drift. Find the minimum drift. Question is available on screen. We'll determine. So we'll do one thing. We don't know anything. Okay, let him row the boat. Vbr. Then river current will push. He will reach here, no? Is that okay? Fine. Sir, this will be our answer. Okay, now let him row the boat in this direction. Then the river current will push him like this. Then what happens in the second situation? He will come here, no? Say I'm asking you to analyze. Don't go for solving the problem. First you analyze it. What are the conditions are there? Okay, now look at this one. This is VB dash. Tell me in which case it is minimum.
Upstream, sir.
Up the streams.
Oh, awesome. I'll show things clearly so that you decide, then get into the problem. So this is VBR. This is VR. So you do have two different situations I'm showing by different colors. Look at that yellow color one. If the boat follows the yellow color path, it will be available here. Say C dash. If the boat follows the blue color path, you'll be available at C. Looking at this, what do you mean by drift? So look at in both the cases where the drift is less, definitely X dash, no? Say nothing wrong, student drawing diagram. You should analyze the diagrams. This is the method of learning physics. So maximum of you, what happen, reading question, want to put the one formula and get it. Even if you know concept also, you are supposed to work out, analyze what are the situations are there. Then only you can reach higher level of physics. Otherwise, what happens, see, like, you'll confine yourself to some small thinking. So up the stream or down the stream? Definitely what happens, up the stream is what the boat should be rowed here. Then only the drift can be minimized. If it seems normal to, sir, what will happen if it seems down the stream? Then the drift will be more, no? You put one more VBR here, another color, then you'll be pushed somewhere here till here. So to minimize drift, the boatman what happens should row the boat up the stream. This is a core idea to minimize drift. The boatman should row boat up the stream. Okay, got this? There's the idea of the problem. Sir, how you can decide from the diagram? Okay, let's come for the question. Let's try to get the answer. So let him VBR, the river current will push. So then this will be the velocity of boat. This is a starting point. So velocity of river. This is the width. So let me take this as theta. Write down the equation now. What is the time taken to cross the river? Time taken to cross the river. What are the formulas we should use? I'll directly take help of this. So first, there's a there's a analysis. Student must analyze it. This is for solving the problem. Solve from this diagram. Okay, now there's a time taken. W by Vbr sine theta. Okay, now what is the expression for drift? Vr minus Vbr cos theta into t. Shall I write directly? Vr minus Vbr cos theta. This one. So let me substitute that value of x equal to Vr minus Vbr cos theta. T is what? W by Vbr sine theta. Okay, some information. Vbr is equal to Vr by root 2. The data is given. The speed of the boat is available for us. The value of that. So Vbr is Vr by root 2. Okay, solve it now. What to do? Minimum is telling no, not something he didn't ask to calculate the value. Am I right? He didn't ask to calculate the value. What he has asked is, so how to minimize it? Yes, I'll take help of differentiation. Here Vr will get cancelled out. Root 2 will get cancelled. So x equal to root 2 minus cos theta W by sin theta. Check it once.
Yes, sir.
This will be our equation. So what to do here now? I differentiate with respect to theta. The value of theta will determine what should be the minimum drift here. For some specific value of theta, the drift can be minimum. So differentiating this dx by d theta. Root 2 constant it is, minus of w, you keep as it is. So differentiation of sine theta cos theta as it is. Differentiation of sine theta will be you can use u by v method or basic thing. So I'll for your convenience, I'll write it so that will be easy for you. Some of you that quotient rule, product rule, you may find difficult. I'll write it in this form. Root 2 w by sine inverse of theta w cos theta sine inverse theta. Let's differentiate this. Root 2 w. So this will be minus 1. Minus of minus 1 will be minus 2. Derivative of sine theta. Derivative of sine theta will be cos theta. minus of W. The bracket term, first cos theta, this will be -1. Sine -2 theta, this will be cos theta, plus the definition of cos theta will be minus sine theta. So this will be negative minus √2W. You can use any other alternative method. Write it like this. So this will be minus √2W cos theta by
Sir, cosecant theta, cot theta.
yeah, anything you can write it. So this will be negative. This will be negative only. So here cos square theta by sine square theta. Sine square theta. Negative of negative. And this will be minus. This will be positive. No. W by cos square theta sine square theta. This will be W by. This will be only W. I'll equate for 0. This one dx by dt to get that minima. So W will get eliminated. So we have to get equation for the basic condition. So dx by d theta. Equate for 0. W will get eliminated. Then solve for theta. Anybody value theta?
45, sir.
Theta 45.
45 degrees.
Theta is 45 degrees. That value of theta, substitute here. Substitute here, theta 45 degrees. Then solve for it, the minimum drift. You have to substitute the value of theta in this equation. √2 cos 45 W by cos 45. W by √2. This will be our answer. So to minimize drift, there's a minimum drift. What about the angle, anybody? With the river current, how much that angle should be? 135, no? Not 45 degrees, not our answer.
Sir will get W, sir.
Sir, x minimum is W, sir.
W, x minimum is W. Okay, yeah, fine. I'll make correction. This x minimum is what? W. What should be the angle with respect to river current? I'll give a separate diagram. It'll be easy for you. So this is what Vbr, no? And this is the river current. So this is that angle. Huh? So this is the value of Vbr. So what is alpha? Alpha, this should be our answer. Because anything I should measure with respect to river current. Theta is not with respect to river current. Alpha is with respect to river current. You have to be very careful in exam. You'll end up answer theta option there, you'll pick up wrong. Any quantity, the direction of velocity of swimmer with respect to river or velocity of boat with respect to river should be mentioned with respect to river current, not bank. There's a convention is what they follow.